Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm coming to you guys with business ideas for stay-at-home moms. Okay, so if you are a stay-at-home mom and you are wondering what can give you cash, okay, whilst you are at home taking care of your kids and your family, please stick around and also share this video to your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this video. Okay, so yes, I am a mom of one. I am not a stay-at-home mom for sure, but I benefited a lot from this list of business ideas that I'm going to share with you guys. So if you are interested in this, please stick around, like this video for sure, comments, and also subscribe if you are new to this channel. Okay, so yes, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, the first on my list is starting a daycare. I don't mean you should get a building to start school or something. No, you can start a daycare in your home, like kids that are around your neighborhoods, parents that are so busy that they cannot take care of their kids whilst they are at home. Maybe it's vacation or the kids are not yet enrolled into schools. You can start a daycare. You can get like 5 kids around your neighborhoods, then you start taking care of them. Their parents are going to be very, very happy for you to take care of them whilst they are at work. Okay, so yes, so you can just go around asking your neighbors, especially those who are very busy, very busy and they have no babysitters. This is basically like babysitting the kids for them while they are at work, but it is going to be done at your own home. You don't need to go to their homes to babysit those kids for them. So it is basically a daycare in your home, you understand? So you get into an agreement with them, the cost involved, okay, and also the amount of time that the kids are going to be left with you to take care of them. Okay, so in a day, if you can get 3 to 5 kids in your neighborhood to take care of them until their parents are back from work, it is not going to be a small amount of money that you are going to be making daily. So let's say that you get 5 kids from your neighborhood, Ghana obviously, and let's say you are charging 10 to 20 Ghana cedis per kid. So let's say you are charging 15 Ghana cedis per kid. Imagine 15 Ghana cedis times 5 taking care of those kids. That is just an average. You can charge more than that depending on the in the neighborhood that you are and how much time you are devoted into taking care of those kids. It is you and the parents that are going to make that kind of agreement pertaining the price, the cost involved. So yes, so you have your kids at home and you have those kids at home too. You are at home and you're going to take care of all those kids at once. That is starting a daycare. It's going to give you a whole lot of money. Also, you are going to make a good relation with your neighbors because you are taking care of your kids. Okay, so when you take good care of them, at the end of the day, in the evening when they are back or anytime they are back from work, you can suggest some things pertaining to how you observe their kids, how they are behaving, what you think that is necessary the parents should do to improve on their kid, either their health or their intelligence. You can be observing their kids, when they are with you, so you can make that suggestion to the parents to help raise their kids so well, and they are going to be happy with you for that kind of service. Okay, so starting a daycare is very, very good. You are going to make a lot of money. Yeah, so consider starting a daycare in your neighborhood if you are a stay-at-home mom. It's a very good business idea. So let's get into the next business idea, guys.